Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making an absolutely delicious keto dessert, chocolate Dulce De Leche. This is a very simple recipe. It only has a few ingredients and comes together in under 15 minutes. I would recommend that you make it ahead of time because it does need to chill for about 2 hours. So let's get started. We're going to start by measuring out 200 ml of heavy cream, pouring it straight into a saucepan, followed by a quarter cup of granulated erythritol and 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We're also going to add a quarter teaspoon of sea salt just to balance out the sweetness of the erythritol. And then using a whisk, we're just going to mix everything together until the cocoa powder is completely saturated and everything is well combined. If you find that your mixture is a little lumpy, you can always go at it with an electric beater. This will yield a nice velvety smooth texture. To bolster the chocolate flavor, we're going to take a half teaspoon of instant coffee, dilute it in a tablespoon and a half of room temperature water, and just pour that into the mixture as well. We're going to give the whole thing another quick mix with the electric beater and then place the saucepan over an extremely low flame on the stovetop. What we're trying to do here is to encourage moisture loss without burning the cream or the cocoa or caramelizing the sweetener. You have to make sure that you're using a heavy bottom saucepan and that the flame is set to the lowest possible setting. We also have to be very careful to keep stirring not only the bottom of the pan but the sides as well, because the cream that adheres to the side will burn and then fall into your mixture, resulting in unwanted lumpy bits. This process is going to take 10 to 12 minutes and it's going to need your undivided attention, so please resist the temptation to step away from the stove, because leaving the saucepan unattended for even a few moments will burn the cream. If at any point you feel the cream is getting too warm, it's okay to momentarily remove the saucepan from the flame and give it a quick stir to bring the temperature back down. The mixture is going to darken and deepen in color, and you know it's ready when it doesn't fall off the back of the spoon. It's also going to take on a very shiny and velvety appearance. If you compare it to what it looked like when we started, you can see that it's deepened in color and it's reduced quite a fair amount. It's been cooking for about 12 minutes and I'm quite happy with the consistency, so I'm going to take it off the flame and pour it out into a ramekin. I'm also going to smooth over the surface with the back of my spatula, clean up the edges before the chocolate sets, and after it's cooled for a few moments, I'm going to cover it with cling film, making sure to press the cling film down so it touches the surface of the dessert, and then refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give this recipe a try. This keto chocolate Dulce De Leche / condensed milk is a wonderful topping for keto desserts. You can warm it up and have it as hot fudge on a keto ice cream, or you can put it over keto pancakes or keto waffles, or you could just have it plain with a little bit of sea salt. It's absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, follow, share, and subscribe, and I do look forward to your feedback in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, be safe, be happy, and eat well.